What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enter in text correction options on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on additional settings. Now here in additional settings, click on languages and input, and after that click on manage keywords. Now click on Gboard and then click on text correction. So these are the text correction options. Now you can enable or disable text correction features. You can turn on or off auto correction, undo autocorrect on backspace, and all other options. So to enable, just simply turn on their respective button, and if you want to disable any feature, then turn off its respective button. So that's how you can enter in text correction options in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.